You can never compare anything. Ocean cannot give this. I'm telling you, the sea cannot give this. This cannot happen. This cannot happen anywhere. The level Tana River has caused havoc. Thousands and thousands of homes downstreams. We are praying. We are asking God to stop the disaster here. Our team is working on this, Julius and the rest of the team. We are trying to see whether anything can be done. This is the only surviving bridge, this area. So the team is coming. We're just trying to see what we can do. We are using a 10-tonner cable. This is a zipline cable to see whether we can do anything. Look at the levels downstream. Hardly you can see the waterfall. The waterfall is only 5 foot and it's always 34 feet. So you can see the levels. The levels have gone down, have up. The levels are unbelievable, they have gone up. The other side is the rapids camp. Look at that, guys who have been here before. Unbelievable, guys who have used this street before. We are only remaining with about a meter. Otherwise, this bridge will be no more. But the great thing is to be alive. To be alive is what life is more important than any other thing. Ladies and gentlemen, we are in Sagana here. Nothing like this, nothing in the last 20, 30 years. Nothing like this. I'm not exaggerating. You can see for yourself. Let me show you St. Joseph. St. Joseph, guys who have done rafting. Unbelievable, unbelievable the wave. The wave is almost 6 meters. My goodness me. This is amazing. Ladies and gentlemen, let's continue walking. We're still walking the bridge. We'll see whether you can say. As I said this morning, we visited about 15 or 20 homes where we were doing rescue at rapids camp. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. We'll keep you posted.